Guys, welcome back to another YouTube video, and today we have a guest, and he's the cameraman.
Hello, mother effer.
What's your YouTube channel? Tell him.
Mr. Pickle.
Okay.
My old one was...
I'll put a link in the description.
But I don't have any videos yet. But okay.
So today we're gonna have a fidget spinner, and we're gonna see if a hair dryer can actually make the fidget spinner actually spin fast enough to see if it
to
can
make
actually,
it like make sounds. Yeah.
Yeah. So okay, I'm gonna turn on the hair dryer right now.
The moment of truth. Can I feel it? Can I feel it?
Oh, okay. It doesn't go that fast. At least it can spin. So if you like get tired of like spinning it by yourself, just pull out a hair dryer, turn it on to high, and then just let it go.
Oh, fun! Turn it off. Well, guys, I have a hack for you that you can do on iPhones or any type of phone. All you need is a hot glue gun, and a fidget spinner, and a phone, of course. And you basically, wherever you want to put your fidget spinner on your phone, or anywhere else, like on other things. And when you're calling people, you can just basically just like, if you're just stressed out, you can just go like, "Hello? I'm mad. I don't want to deal with you anymore, mother effer. I don't want to deal with this family anymore. So F yourself." Done.
Okay, and that's the rest of the video. Guys, have a good day. I love yous. And dab on those haters like you always do.
Peace!